Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Denmark Aranas, a postgraduate medical intern. I basically provide informative videos to medical students. And also, I would like to give aspiring Filipino physicians an idea what a med student usually tackle in med school. If you find these videos helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated for my new videos. For today, I'll be discussing the CPC of cholecystitis. This is an inflammation of the gallbladder that occurs most commonly because of an obstruction of the cystic duct by gallstones arising from the gallbladder, which is cholelithiasis. This is important for us to discuss so that we may be able to address the etiology of our condition. So here is the overview of our CPC. We'll be discussing each of these by section. So let's start with the risk factors. An important mnemonic would be the 4Fs, which stand for fat, female, 40, and fertile. This patient has these events in their body: supersaturation of bile with cholesterol, hypomotility of gallbladder, and crystallization or nucleation of cholesterol, which would ultimately lead to gallstone formation. This stone inside the gallbladder would now lead to an obstruction of the cystic duct and common bile duct, which would result to the bile, cholesterol, and bacterial buildup, which would distend the gallbladder. The distended gallbladder would have an impaired venous and lymphatic drainage, increased bacterial proliferation, localized cellular irritation, and even areas of ischemia. All of these mechanisms would lead to an inflammation, which would result in our classic presentation of cholecystitis as jaundice and sharp right upper quadrant abdominal pain, which could be manifested by doing Murphy's sign. Here now is our reference, the Schwartz Principles of Surgery. I would like to end this discussion with a message. Go and indulge yourself with your simple joys to keep you motivated and inspired. Thank you for listening and have a good day.